What's going on, guys? Blader Jordan today, and as you can see, we have a snowstorm. And of course, we're going to be doing Beyblade battles in the snow yet again. Part 2. I did one last year, but this time I have a few more bays. Well, I shouldn't even say a few more bays, a lot more bays. And it's not as cold as it was last year, so I should be able to stay out a little bit longer than my last one. So yeah. So, yep, we're going to be doing just a snow battle brawl or whatever. Just like 4 or 5 bays in the snow stadium and stuff. So yeah, let's get started now. So I'll be out here much longer. Okay, Samurai Ifrit is already out. Let's go with Berserker Behemoth. Phantom Orion. Okay, Nemesis is really broke. Go shoot. Barrieris. Okay. Finally, Nemesis was able to get out of there. Go shoot. Okay, Cosmic Pegasus. Oh, come on. Where did it just go? I just lost Pegasus. Alright, whatever. I'll find it eventually. Okay, let me see. Alright, Fang Leon. Go shoot. Alright, Zebra. Alright, I found Cosmic. Ghost. Oh, what? I dropped it. Ghost. Wow, this is bad. Pegasus is not getting the justice it deserves. Red Striker. Alright, now can I get Pegasus in there? Oh man. This is bad. He's gonna shoot. This is bad for Pegasus debuted in the snow. Okay. Cosmic somewhat takes it. Go shoot. Drago Guardian. Okay, Fang Leon with the knockout. Alright, Gladiator Bahamut. Oh, I'm missing my launchers like crazy. Alright, let's get Nemesis back in there. Phantom Orion. That's Samurai Ifrit. Red Striker. Go shoot. Wow, I'm missing my launch. It's so crazy right now. I'm just launch skipping. That was not a good launch for Earth Eagle. Goes. Oh, this is bad. I can't find Eagle now. That's crazy. Yeah, I can't even find Earth Eagle. Let's get Diablo Nemesis back in there. I need a balance type in there. Wing Pegasus. I lost Earth Eagle. I can't find Earth Eagle. Go shoot. Alright, Evil Befoul. Okay, let's get to a fresh start. Flame Bixus. Shoot those. All right, Meteor Drago. All right, let's get Orion back in there. All right, Meteor Drago. And knocked out. Go shoot. Okay, barriers. Okay, I had to be right back for a minute. I gotta find my bays. Guys, I'm back. So I found my bays. I literally lost them in the snow, some of them, but I ended up finding them eventually. But I'm gonna do a little bit more of this. So we're gonna go with Hell Kerbex, since these bays didn't get a lot of screen time. Fire Fuse Dark Helm. All right, Fire Fuse Dark Helm is out. Rock Orso. Meteor Drago. Damn. All right, Kerbex is powerful. Earth Eagle. Cosmic. Okay. Let me get Rock Orso in there. So Kerbex. Alright. Knock this thing out. Earth Eagle. Cosmic. Fire Fuse Dark Helm. Oh wow. Okay. Stamina types cannot just stay in there. And the crazy part about it is, any other time I'm doing a 1v1, they don't get knocked out so easily. But in the snow, is just, bays are just so easily to not go into the stadium or just get knocked out. Probably because I don't know if it's like just slippery in the stadium, or if the stadium is super cold, but all right, Cosmic. Rock Horse. Oh, let me do that over. Rock Horso. Cosmic. Alright, Cosmic knocks out. Probably use Dark Helm. Meteor Drago. Kerbex. Alright, let's see which bait takes it. And of course, it is Hell Kerbex. But anyways, that is Beyblade Battling in the Snow Part 2. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more Metal Fight Beyblade battles. I'll have some more snow out here, of course, tomorrow. So I will be doing some 1v1s in the snow. That'd be pretty cool. So, of course, I got some battle requests I got to get into. Lots of battle requests on my channel. So with that being said, please subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later.